Selling products in Europe without an EU representative? Your listings can get blocked, and you may face compliance issues. If you sell products in the European Union from outside Europe, like from India, China, or the USA, many products now require an EU representative under the DOC process. So what does an EU representative do? They act as your official contact person inside Europe. If EU authorities need product documents or compliance details, your EU representative helps handle it. Without an EU representative, marketplaces like Amazon may remove your listings or stop sales in Europe, especially for electronics, toys, CE marked products, and many regulated categories. Think of it like this: if your business is outside Europe, the EU wants someone inside Europe responsible for product compliance. That's exactly what an EU representative service provides. Make sure your DOC and EU representative setup is ready before listing your products. Follow for more Amazon and EU compliance tips.